the Good Shepherd not only feeds us, the Good Shepherd leads us. He not only provides, he also guides. He not only protects, but he also directs our life. And God has said, I will guide you in a way of life if you trust me. The trust is the most important thing. Now, trust is believing what God has already said and He is willing to do. First point is, I need to admit I need a guide. It's a human nature. We don't want to ask assistance or guidance from anyone. Isaiah 53:6 says, we all like sheep have gone astray, each one has turned to our own way. Now that is the nature of every one of us. Sometimes or later, we wanted to go in our way. The problem is, we do not know God's will. We need to know God's will in order to stay in the flock of God. Matthew 7:7, ask and it shall be given you, seek and you shall find, knock and the door will be open. All of us are familiar with these words, but one thing we need to look here, God wants us to ask. Now that He understands, that's true, He understands. But are we asking God? What is ask, seek and knock? A, yes, A. Again it is ask. Ask, seek, knock. That's what James 1:5 says. If any of you lack wisdom, you should ask God, who gives generously to all without finding fault, and it will be given you. Yes, so here it says, you should ask. We'll go to the third point. Listen for God's response. Listen to God's response. The point that we are looking at is, God has designed in such a way we can hear His voice. But most of the time what we do, physically we cannot. So that's the reason we are not seriously looking into that. So God has designed us to hear His voice. There is a receiver in each one of us to receive or to get guidance from God. It is already there. It's built in. He wouldn't make us without it, because God has already made it in such a way He wants to communicate with us. Now we are all human beings created in His own image and likeness. That is the reason. This is not in the animals. It's only human. Human beings can hear what, if you tune to God, then He can hear what God says. Trust God when I don't understand. That's a critical thing. Trust God because we wait for some time. So never judge the path God leads us until we see the end. Keep moving. Don't stop and don't question. God doesn't like that. Proverbs chapter 12 verse 28 says, it's on the screen, it says, in the way of righteousness there is life. Along that path is immortality. God says, you go my way, you will have good life on earth. That is, all needs will be met. Even in this situation, our God is the same. He can do any miracle, anytime. He is on the throne. Nothing is impossible with the Lord.